It's the most wonderful time.
Christmas is a magical time, full of wonder, excitement, and joy. A time for making lasting memories with family and friends. But do you know the secret behind what makes Christmas so special? Moms. Moms are working their asses off, cooking, wrapping, decorating, and shopping.
Fuck. Holy shit.
I do the shit how I like. I'm
I feel like a giant stress ball from like November to New Year's.
And this is our busiest time of the year at work. I waxed 39 pussies today. Who's next? Oh my God. Since when did every woman in America need a completely hairless vagina on Christmas?
I spend months picking out the perfect present for everyone. You know the only thing I get in return? Coupons for free back rubs.
That's not okay.
Shitty back rubs.
Remember when the holidays were actually fun? Let's take Christmas back.
Mom?
Mom? What the actual fuck?
Hey, Mom.
Where's your tree?
I didn't want to waste time Christmas tree shopping. I actually just wanted to enjoy Christmas this year.
Amy, you are a mom. Moms don't end joy, they give joy. That's how being a mom works.
Wow, the house looks really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Your dad is awesome.
I thought you hated him.
Wait, why would you say that?
I heard you and Daddy in the bedroom. You kept screaming at him.
They were happy screams.
And then you punched the wall and yelled the F word. You were like, oh my fucking God. Just like that. Oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God.
Okay, shh.